Welcome to Unit 1 of Management Information Systems. In Unit 1, we'll be looking at Chapters 1, 2, and 5. Not 1, 2, and 3, but 1, 2, and 5. After you complete Lesson 1A, which familiarizes you with the technologies we'll be using in the course, then move on to Lesson 1B, which is Chapter 1. You'll also find that Lesson 2 is Chapter 2 and Lesson 3 is Chapter 5. Now in Chapter 1, we'll be looking at just basic management principles that relate to technology issues when you are managing or supervising in a business. In Chapter 2, we move on to competitive advantage in information technologies. There's a lot new that's happening in this area, and I hope you find it very interesting. When we move to Chapter 5, we move into electronic commerce. E-commerce is growing by leaps and bounds, as any of you that have shopped online already know. So Chapter 5 is a very interesting chapter. Also, as a part of Unit 1, we'll be doing a project. Now you have your choice of 4 different projects. The first option is Mini Set A, which is 3 small topics that you look at, and you do all 3 of those small topics in the set. They include computer information, metadata, which relates to getting your website visited, and the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which has interesting information for managers who are looking at hiring decisions. It also helps if you're interested in job hunting. Another option for Project 1 is what's called XLMA. Now, XLM are the extended learning modules in your text. They're in the back part of the text. And XLMA is about computer hardware and software. If you're already computer literate, please don't choose this. You'll be bored silly. But if you don't feel like you have a good grasp on technologies, this is a good option for you. Option 3 for Project 1 is XLMB, the World Wide Web and the Internet. Again, if you are web savvy, don't choose this one. You'll be bored and you won't feel like you learned. You want to pick a project that you will learn from. The final option for Project 1 is building a web page using HTML. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is one of the ways you can build a web page. It can be as simple or as complex as you want to make it. In the XLMF, building a web page with HTML, they only teach you a few basic tags, but it's enough to get up a website, whet your interest, and see if you're interested in learning any more about building a web page. There are websites that have web building tools for you that are WYSIWYG. WYSIWYG means what you see is what you get. WYSIWYG. So whichever of these projects that you choose one that you will learn from, you will benefit from, that will help you in your job or even your personal life. I look forward to seeing your participation in discussions for each chapter and for the project. There is a discussion every week all semester. See you in cyberspace.